Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, Kate Capul here. In today's video, as you can see from the title, you're gonna witness how I unboxed my iPhone XR, and I'm going to show you all the phone cases that I got from Shopee. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, Kate Capul here, and today's video is gonna be the unboxing of my first ever brand new phone. Ayan.
It's a strange feeling that I have. It's a weird being that I have. It's a notion that I've known. It's a tear that I shed alone.
Yung kasama niya lang is itong cord. Itong cord lang. Tapos itong manual. Ayun, yun lang kasama niya. Ito yung adapters. Open natin.
So yun, sineset up na. Social distancing. Sineset up na niya ang aking new phone. Akin yan.
Thank you, Mami Donna. So here are the cases that I got from Shopee. May dala pa akong cases na hindi dumadating, pero hindi na kasi ako makapag-antay na ma-upload yung video and ma-share sa inyo yung moment na to. Lalo na yung unboxing kasi that was my first time. Last April 27 pa ngayon. Gabi na nun nung binigay sa akin yung phone. Ano bang araw nung April 27? Basta alam ko may klase ako nun. Tuesday yun. Hanggang 7 PM yung klase ko nun. Tapos after nun, may quiz bee pa ako na sinalihan para dun sa event sa department namin. Tapos ayun, kumain lang ako and then ayun, dumating na yung phone. Pinadala na sa akin yung phone. Tapos pagkapadala sa akin, syempre inopen ko na agad yun. Kaya ayun, ang dugyot ng time na yun. Pero, ayan, ito nga, yung mga phone cases na nabili ko sa Shopee. Super affordable lang nito. And super gaganda ng quality niya as in. So, I got these two cases from the same shop. Ito yung dapat bibilhin ko lang talaga. Itong isang phone case lang na to. Kaso, akala ko, soft siya. Ito. Kaso, akala ko, soft case siya and hindi niya naman mapaprotectionan yung phone ko. Ang habol ko lang talaga dito is design. Kaya, bumili ako nito. Tapos, nung dumating naman siya, ito pala yung mas malambot kaysa dito. So, ayun, nabudol tayo dito sa isang to. Pero okay lang kasi color red naman yung iPhone XR. Kaya, maganda na rin yung clear case, diba? So, ayan, wala tayong magagawa. Ayan, ito yung dalawang case from the same shop. Ito yung unang dumating. And then, ito, apat. Ito, pare-parehas din sila ng shop. And lahat ng cases are from China. This one's my favorite din na case. Kasi super cute lang nung bear something. And then yung design niya dyan. Ayan, super cute. And maganda rin yung quality niya. Tapos, napaprotectionan niya yung camera, yung back camera. So, yan. Ang ganda lang niya. The next case ay atong dalawa. I got this color pink and color black. Same siya na silicone matte case. Ayan. Super cute niya lang din. And then, next is ito. Glossy type siya. Pero yung ganito is parang malagkat yung side niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, yung quality niya is maganda naman. Hard case siya. Tapos, feel ko mas napaprotectionan yung camera dito compare dito. Pero maganda naman yung pagka-glossy niya. So, maganda rin yung dalawang case na inaantay ko pa, pero hindi ko kasi alam kung kailan sila dadating. Gusto ko na nga ito ma-upload tong video na to. Kaya, ayun. So, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any video suggestions or video recommendations, just comment it down below. And I'll put the links of the phone cases in the description box na lang if you wanna buy them also. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!
Mm.